Hello everyone, welcome to Statistics. Chapter 1 is our introduction to statistics, and it covers a lot of terminology, and we're going to be using that terminology throughout the course. My name is Professor Peoples, and I want to get started. How about you? First of all, in this short introduction, I'd like to repeat once again my welcome to everybody in the class. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video and to complete the lecture feedback form. Everything that I say applies to both sections MA300.95 and 96M, which are both online sections for which this course is being run. In this short introduction, I'm going to cover what to expect in terms of our assignments, discussion boards, quizzes, and final project, as well as a little bit about our open source textbook. Before we begin, I do want to tell you how to contact me. My primary contact information is by my email, mpeoples@neit.edu. Now, each week we have recorded lectures posted by Monday of that week, and you can always ask me by my email questions about any of the content there. I also hold live office hours each week on Friday nights from 7 to 8 p.m., and I'll hold office hours by appointment at any other time using either Zoom chat or Zoom conferencing if you contact me and we work together to find a time that's good for both of us, and in which I can help you answer your questions. But if you need additional help and I'm not available, you should go to see the Academic Skills Center tutors in the Math Center. They're there to help you. And their tutors are listed as TAs, teaching assistants, in this course, so you should take the time to work with them as well. They're very helpful and will help guide you through what you need to know to be successful. The required textbook for this course is Introductory Statistics by Olowski and Dean, first edition. It's accessed for free via the site openstacks.org, and the link to the textbook is provided in every module as well as on the home page when you first enter the Canvas course. I ask that you have a scientific calculator and notebook to help you through the course. However, almost all of the assignments that we're going to complete will require the use of Microsoft Excel in order to make your work a whole lot easier. And all of my lectures that I give you will be to support the lectures given by the author, Barbara Olowski, in terms of how to make your calculations using Microsoft Excel. I will not repeat the grading and evaluation criteria for the course other than to say that in this week we're going to be covering Chapter 1, the Chapter 1 assignment, and the online weekly assignments are worth 25% of your grade. That's a big chunk of everything, so you want to keep up with those definitely. The main thing I want to point out is that participation is graded by means of the responses to the graded survey form. Please make sure that you enter those every week. You have to be active in the course, and activity in the course will be counted if you either complete a chapter assignment, complete one of the online quizzes, complete the discussion board, or respond to our lecture participation weekly lecture form. Note, for the online chapter assignments, you have up to 5 tries to get the highest possible score, and so this is an argument that you need to know in order to get started early and do the best that you can. In Chapter 1, you should be able to complete the following by the end of this chapter: recognizing and differentiating between the key terms, and again, make sure that you take a careful note of all of the terminology. You should be able to apply various types of sampling method to data collection, and you should be able to create and interpret frequency tables. So what to do this week? By the end of this week, by Friday, you should have completed the introduction video and completed lecture form 0. This is only due in week 1. You should have completed the chapter 1 video lecture and completed the form lecture 1, which is what you're watching right now. And I'll take attendance based on your course activity by Friday. By next Tuesday, you should have completed your first posts, well, that's 2 posts, to discussion board 1, as well as the chapter 1 assignment. Remember again that you have 5 tries to get the highest possible score in that chapter 1 assignment, which means that you should retry it several times by starting early enough to give yourself that time before Tuesday. The focus this week is on statistics literacy, and if you have questions, once again, I remind you, please contact me. I'm looking forward to working with you this term. Good luck, everyone.